Creating an account on Brevo is a straightforward process that enables you to utilize their comprehensive email marketing services. Follow these steps to get started. Visit the Brevo website. Navigate to Brevo's official website. Initiate account creation. Click on the Sign Up Free button prominently displayed on the homepage. Provide your information. Enter your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account for quicker registration. Confirm your email. After submitting your details, Brevo will send a confirmation email to the address provided. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Complete your profile. Upon verification, log into your new Brevo account. You'll be prompted to fill in additional information, such as your name, company details, and contact information. Set up your account. Configure your account settings, including time zone, language preferences, and email signature. Explore features. With your account set up, you can start exploring Brevo's features, such as creating email campaigns, managing contact lists, and utilizing marketing automation tools.